Because he just took over the nest and he had to go home and make another nest. And the chicken and turkey and the little babies had to make one too for their own. Because the chicken and turkey didn't want the babies to go in the nest, so the babies made their own nest, but they couldn't because they didn't know how. But then they did, and then they followed the road, but then the car ran over everyone, like the turkey and chicken and the babies. And I got another funny one.
Okay.
Hey, you're supposed to laugh at this one.
I did.
Okay. When did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Well, when did it cross the road?
I don't know when.
He crossed the road for a few days, but then the little chicken just ignored himself. But then he got an idea to make a nest for his little babies. Then they just ignored their selfless too. But then they got an idea too. They just buy toys from the store, but the little babies buy some toys for them. But then they just kicked around and laughed all over the place in the whole store. I got another funny one.
Okay.
What chicken crossed the road?
What chicken crossed the road?
I said it.
Alright, well tell me.
'Cause one chicken crossed the road and then they just laughed and kicked themselves. Then they knocked themselves out of the store. Then they just kicked themselves out. Then they found a big giant friend. Then he was a giant and then everything broke. That was a funny one.
Oh, okay. I thought it was sad.
Oh, it was funny. And then he just broke everything. Then there was little pillows. Then he slipped. Because he was bad and mean because he stomped his feet and everything broke.
Oh. Alright, say bye now.
No.
What?
We're not taking the video.
Oh, we're not?